What up, YouTube? It's the OG back with another video. And before you do anything, hit that thumbs up and watch these ads. I don't know how long this video is. If you skipped over that ad, stop the video, go back and watch the ad. That's how I get paid for these YouTubes. Anyway, I got a pack in. I'm gonna share with you guys. This is where it's from. A store out in Toledo, Ohio. You know, send me these. So I'm gonna pop them open and share with y'all. Hold them tight. I found a knife here. Shout out to all my people over there in my Adidas Top 10 fan club on Facebook. Hey, I really appreciate y'all. I really do. I mean, this group is really growing. We are like request like 100 people a day. No bullshit. 100 people a day for the request to get into the Adidas Top 10 fan club on Facebook. That's good, man. We done came a long way. Before you know it, we'd be at 20K. But anyway, enough jibbing and jabbing. Let's pop this open. You already know. Adidas. Adidas. Love my Adidas. They sent me a size 13. I asked for a size 12. So it's really, man, I don't know, but I get it correct. Anyway, here we go right here. Size 13. These are real nice. These are dope. Dope. The other shoe right here. There's the toe on them. There's the sole. These are pretty dope, huh? Smell good too. Yeah, but I asked for a 12. They sent me a 13. I ain't worried about it. They're correct, you know. But yeah, these are nice right here. These are the Adidas. What's these? The Rivals. There you go, right there. I like these. The leather on these shits is soft as fuck, man. On some real, feel like a baby ass. Look at it. You can see it. That shit's soft, man. These are real dope. Gotta take a picture real quick. Hold it tight. Yeah. Anyway, I like them. I appreciate it. Yeah. I wish they was high tops though. I really don't care for lows, but in this case, hey, what the hell, right? Why not? I just wanted to shoot a quick little video, show you guys my pickup for today. Well, they just came in. I'm gonna have more and more, a few more Adidas videos coming in, so stay tuned. It's the OG Fast T back with another video. Hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, what you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Thank you.